we know. Baby, this is just a movie now.
Pretty cool, man. You high, man. You high. So they get to your real bubble people off. Like,
we know. Every single time we move, I know, you know. Baby, this is just a movie now. We know. Baby, this is just a movie now. I know, you know. We know.
Just filmed with the best. We've got some movies dropping for you guys. Make sure you lock in with this guy, man. It's the truth. Trust me.
Appreciate that, bro.
Trust me, man. No one's gonna pattern your thing.
I'm too cool, school, college dropout. Kanye West through the wire. She just a bitch on the flyer. She won't get drunk and get high.
Oh yeah, I'll be going then. Okay. Yeah, you kind of come here and say, yeah, we're really happy with the way thing was finishing.
Yo, look right now.
What are they doing? What are they doing? Raph.
Is the door open? It's probably supposed to be open, actually. What time can you do my hair at?
Just depends on what's here. It's gonna take 2 hours.
Why? You sure you want to expose your work, your secrets to the camera? This is going online.
I mean,
Shut up. No, I'm joking. So we're gonna have to do this one after another, just to keep the line the same. This doesn't look good. Matches the color scheme though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
These niggas envy me, wishing that none of my enemies ain't no enemy. I got the feeling that niggas is all in their feelings since I got the remedy.
See this video that we're doing now. Kian's ones can all stay and whenever you're ready.
Yeah.
But this one, the song that I'll play the song. This song I need like maybe tonight.
Yeah. I'll send everything to you tonight. Yeah.
Everyone get the kind of little yo. Give up one of them.
That's what he said.
What do you think about this? You wanna hire?
No, as in like angle it if it's possible to angle it. If not, we can move back. Yeah.
Like this, yeah?
That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
This cam, yeah?
That's fine, yeah.
We keep doing this past us in our head.
Pass, backwards. But it's combo. You get me?
Nah.
This is the real college experience.
Hey, the real college experience.
You know what the gas bar is, right? That lecture this morning, she would have absolutely called you out on that as well.
Let her call me out on that.
How much was that?
It was about, I was getting 600 because the first one I got, the first one I got scammed.
Yeah, the first one you bought wasn't great.
Yeah, I wouldn't take it back. So this one was like 300. This is the best camcorder you can ever buy. I'm not telling niggas what kind of camcorder this is. 20 cents for every push-up I beat you by. 20 cents? Yeah, if you get more than me, 20 cents for every push-up you did. Alright. Bro, this sun is I know you don't got a bag like that, so it's cool. Yeah, I don't.
Come on, boys, stop playing around.
Yeah, I'm the MVP, like I'm Curry or LeBron. James Harden, how I'm traveling for fun. 2 posters, but I never get it done.
Raph, you are not doing it right.
What?
You are not doing it right.
Japanese, yeah, so obviously got Watch anime.
Huh?
Watch anime. Attack on Titan, Naruto. Boku no Pico.
Huh?
Huh?
What did you say?
You don't even want to know, bro.
Hey, Ram, you know what we call it? YouTube. Cook a picture yourself and piece like that. And read about history and shit. Yeah.
Why would that be funny?
Then send that.
God, what are you on about? Just hang around, bro. Just hang around for a little bit longer, bro.
Less than 24 hours, man. I'll see you again.
Would you stop it, would you? Bleeding. Gimp. It's what them niggas, freak niggas wear, all leather. It's called a gimp. If you ever watch Pulp Fiction, they be in gimp suits, all leather suits. I just be doing freaky shit.
My eyes are open and high. I can't believe I got night. I just realized I was high. I was 17 on the mic. I'm trying to be cutting that mic. I'm a gigolo hoe, I bite. My whole career, they bite. Some niggas are thinking they faster than me. Somebody should tell them they die. I'm already niggas in this, and I should be pissed, and I don't even fuck. My bitch is buddy. Marvelous fuck. Good to reefer. Put him in the cuff. Put him in the cuff. Put him in the cuff.
Get me in for free.
I have a ticket for you.
Save for the camera.
Oh, yes, I have a ticket for you.
Why do you have a ticket for him?
Yeah, good by yourself.
I will probably just do the same. Like, what are you doing? Stop. We're not making a porno. Are we? So skippity. Sorry, I need to stop saying that. I thought you were bleeding. Are you vlogging the whole experience?
24 when I had little Alice. 47 when I had Eve. Now I can finally sleep. Yeah. You just say that. It was I had to do a little video.
Bye now.
Remember when you worked at Krispy Kreme and I worked at Five Guys? Remember when you used to come into Five Guys crying for Happy Meals?
Ryan, Happy Meals. and
Yeah,
Five Guys.
bro. I remember.
What was my order? Do you remember my order?
Bacon cheeseburger,
Yeah, with what?
jalapeno,
Yeah, what?
mustard,
No.
ketchup,
No.
onions.
No.
You don't put ketchup on a burger?
I don't know what your order was.
Jalapenos.
I said jalapenos.
Yeah. Lettuce.
Yeah, I said lettuce and cheese. I said bacon cheeseburger.
Oh yeah.
You're so
The sauce. The sauce. You didn't get the sauce right.
I said ketchup.
No ketchup.
Hot sauce.
Sauce. Come on.
You're so off. I didn't even know what we're supposed to be doing.
Immediately when he said, I was like, ooh.
This is the type of nigga that still makes city jokes in 2025.
It's 2024. What do you mean? It's widowy. November. Doesn't show them year though. He could clip that.
You're a little quirky. You're a little quirky Negro. That's what you are.
Quirky, bro.
Little quirky.
I'm from Baghdadi. I'm from the hood.
You're from Baghdadi?
Yeah, I remember one time I was gone in a physics class. I wrote rubbish. I know what did I watch?
Physics?
I watched Jimmy
Did
Neutron.
physics?
Yeah, I did physics. I watched
You're not smart enough to do physics.
while I was studying.
You're not.
That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm in third year, nigga, and I never did physics.
How old are you? 18?
21.
You're in third year.
Yeah, I did T1. Take one.
I don't even like the scooch.
Take one.
Actually, I'll sit at the edge.
What the fuck? What are you licking? Bird poop. Is that poop?
Yeah,
The chocolate melted in my hands. Which chocolate?
It's cold. Like, how is that melting?
I'm wearing hands.
It's so soft.
I just sticks my hand.
It's soft. Are you good? Nigga been coughing.
Like wussens, bro. Like koala. Like think about a koala.
Nah, bro. Rest in peace.
I play piano, so I play piano. Like I'm soft on my hand.
Next song I'll be playing is the next song I will be playing is Molly by Playboy Carti. Well, no, Pops. Got any words to say?
Just chilling.
Just chilling.
Living the life.
Just living the love. Black tie events.
Yeah.
The OG.
It's a video. It's a video. It only takes videos.
Just like pose for like 10 seconds.
Yeah, man. Just see your thing, man.
Brilliant pictures, my friends. I got a meeting here last week. It's fantastic. So if you never tried to figure it out here, you work here. We do have to like.
What are you on about?
Life imitates out.
What are you on about?
It's like I'm taking a picture while you're taking a
Here,
picture.
let me take a picture of you.
Yeah, take
Okay, I'll attempt. Oh, jeez, it's heavy. Okay.
Careful.
What the fuck? I just hold it. Don't press it.
It doesn't take pictures. It's only for recordings.
What?
Oh, it's not recording the video.
Bruh. Mayonnaise, man. What the fuck? I remember what Alex said. Alex says, do you think Mayo would be mad if I called him bro, why does it feel lighter?
Because it doesn't have to. Oh, the lens is different.
Okay.
Yeah. You tell the people what we do now here.
We're just outside taking
Just
pics.
outside taking pics, man.
We're outside, bro.
Outside, bro.
Taking pics, bro.
Should I say so?
Yeah, go ahead, man. Say something for the cam, bro. That's why it's on you.
What can I say, bro?
I'm recording right now.
You're not recording.
I'm recording right now.
Oh, show me.
Oh my god, flip it to us. Flip it to us.
Wait, show me how you did that. Show me how you did that.
Bro, you need to send me this video.
Wait.
It's a magic.
Now you're recording.
You got it.
Now you're recording.
This is game changer. I don't pull out the other camera. I used to have to pull out the other camera to record, but now.
No, wait, what did you honestly know? I made the camera record.
Yeah, but I know.
You made a camera. That's what you did. Yeah, man. Nah, she told the camera doesn't record. Yeah. I think I typed it home.
Still hung around with is it Kego? Yeah, I love that kind of event.
You don't have any pets, I think. You don't have zero pets.
Not even a
Fish to your name. I used to have a fish. Yo, you know I used to have them as well. What happened to it?
Really?
They died.
Wait.
Is that recording? Yeah.
Oh, you're killing them, oh my god.
Look at Bashi.
Well,
Well, you can record.
Why is it in black and white?
Because I always take back black and white picture.
What's wrong with you?
Ah, it's recording.
It's recorded.
Yeah, it's recording right now.
You're recording me.
Oh, yeah.
It's behind you. And it's eating a chip. Wait, let me flash a light on it. Look, it's all sluggy in the chip.
So I mortgaged all my
I
castle.
love Spider-Man. Don't get me started on Spider-Man. Everything comes out real. It's a cool little camera. And you can flip it as well. So look at this. So let's say I'm recording you, right? I just flip this little thing.
Oh, I can see myself.
You can see yourself. Can I see myself on the camera?
Yeah, look.
I can. What the heck? Little shield of the camera. Get that shit out of here, bro. Alright, it's a cute, it's a little cute black and white camera.
Yeah, it's like for vlog and all this.
Is it?
Yeah.